No, but no, Bartbit? What? Bartbit. So, yeah. No, it's perfect! It's really hard to drink with a mustache on, and now I appreciate it. Real man! What is it? Super cool. I can collect. I didn't want that kind of like threw up in my mouth. Did anybody else go better than you? Or me? Oh, I keep going in my mouth. Sometimes a red bird, I make an oopsie poopsie. Not an oopsie poopsie. An oopsie poopsie happens. I'm finding someone at this man right here. This one. Anybody else? Come on, don't be shy. I'll spot you. I'll spot you on the nose. You guys all drinking wine coolers or something? This ain't no Hitchcock. Hey, you're like touching each other. Oh, I got one. You got one? What do you want to do? What do you want to do with it? What do you want to movie it? Hey, lady. Hey, what about you? Or do I try it? How about this one? It sounds like there's something wrong with him. Like he's got an. He's trying to. He's trying to impress this lady over here. But you know. You know. Let it out. Just let it out. Well, I'll let you too.
Boo!
No.
Boo!
Oh, we got it.
Belching? Boo! I can belch back. I'm an old man.
See you belch, you little piece of shit.
You guys are belching. Here it goes. Ready? Hold on. Oh, there it comes.
Where is it?
Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Oh man, it's so gross.